Hi, thank you for checking my video. In this video, I'm going to review the school pricing plan. The school pricing plan. School is a platform that where you can create your community, where you can create online courses, both free and paid, and build your online business. School is a community platform for creators. It's a platform that bring together your content, resources, and audience in a rewarding space. So, what is School? School was created in 2019 by one of the top marketers, Sam Oven. It is a course hosting platform and all-in-one community to help creators build and grow their online business. So let's look at School features. With School, you can create active community and engagement. You can integrate your online course platform to your community. Then you can broadcast email, that is send email to your members. You can integrate your community with calendars. Then you can accept payment using Stripe or Facebook. So what can you do with School? So you can create free community, you can create paid community, you can create online courses, you can accept payment, both Stripe and PayPal. So people can subscribe to your community free, or ask them to pay certain amount of money before they can get access to your community. So let's look at deeply on School pricing plan. School offer you 14 days free trial where you can cancel any time. So after the 14 days free trial, then you can pay $99 per month, which simply means School price is $99 per month. School costs $99 per month. With that $99 per month, you can get one group of features, unlimited courses, unlimited members, 2.9 transaction fees. So if you are selling, you are charging for your communities, or you are charging for your online courses, you are only pay 2.9 transaction fee. So if you want to join School community platform to create your community or work to create online courses, both free and paid, then don't forget to click the link below to get access to the School platform and join for free today. You have 14 days free trial in which you can operate your account to monthly payment or cancel at any time when you are not satisfied with their with their platform. So hope this video help you to review the School pricing plan. Don't forget to click the link below to get access to the School platform and join for free. Thank you for watching.